Hello, this is Troy Spivey, aka the Credit Surgeon once again. Today's video will be a little bit different. You might notice in the top right hand corner, TransUnion, one of the major credit bureaus. Basically what I wanted to do is, I'm getting a lot of emails, calls, and texts regarding, can we see some examples of your past work, so forth and so on. Cool thing about when you do credit restoration, you help people out. They're always willing to share the wealth, share what their credit report looks like and the results. So, and I give a little discount to people who are willing to do that. Of course, I blacked out their name, address, all that pertinent information. I mean, you know, if you're in the credit restoration program, it's nobody's business but yourself. So, further ado, you're looking at just, these are some of the items. Again, I have hundreds, files upon files and files of this. I've been doing this for 6 years now. HSBC Auto Finance, deleted. And again, I apologize if it's a little blurry. I'm not the most technologically advanced when it comes to cameras and so forth. I just want you to get the synopsis of deleted items on here. Tax lien inquiries. The results are the items have been deleted. This report here was a doozy. You have a Bank of America $36,000 credit card deleted. Your GMAC, you have a repo. Here you have a tax lien, state tax lien, deleted. You have Nordstrom's deleted. Many different, as you can see, different bureaus and different deletions. This one was a foreclosure, Aurora Loan Services, deleted, so forth and so on. Again, I apologize if it's blurry. Repossession, deleted. Key synopsis here is I have hundreds of these that have been deleted. Here's a bankruptcy, state tax lien, deleted. Here's a bankruptcy here. You know how they say it has to stay on your credit report for 10 years. This is Experian. How it stays on your credit report for 10 years. This proves that theory wrong right now. Deleted, and deleted. So, like I said, I just wanted to start out the video. This will be quick. A lot of those deletions you see there are from clients who, and again, I dug deep. I found the worst of the worst that I've turned around. And I didn't do it by myself. They did, like I said, they did their part. I did my part. They were able to purchase, in 2 instances, they were able to get business loans, purchase that house, that rental home that they wanted. And again, I'm not going to sit up and take credit for everything. I got the items removed from their report, but they did what they had to do on their end as well to get in that position. How did I do that? That's the $1,000,000 question. It's not magic. I don't have a magic wand. I don't have a secret hookup with the credit bureaus. I don't have a friend involved. It's 110% legal what I do. I base everything off the Fair Credit Reporting Act. You Google it, it's got about 57 pages of what the act is. Basically, I'm going to sum it up for you. For an original creditor, Capital One, Bank of America, for them to report any negative information on you, there are documents, physical documents they have to send over to the credit bureaus to prove of why this is happening, why they're doing it to you. Of course, with this technological world, the way we're going, literally now, it's too expensive to mail documents and so forth. It's easier to scan everything or make a phone call or so forth and so on. So, basically what's happening now is they're taking a name, Troy Spivey, boom, we're throwing them to Capital One's calling or faxing Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Troy Spivey didn't pay his bill. We charged him off, so forth and so on. Credit bureaus, it's not their job to validate. They could care less. They want to keep a good relationship with the banks, with the credit card companies, with the lenders. They put any information on there that they say. It's up to you to prove the information incorrect, in which in this case I proved a lot of it incorrect. I didn't sit home and write, hey, this isn't me, please remove, and hope that the creditor didn't respond and we get it removed. That worked in the early 90s. It's over now. Plain and simple. It's over now. It doesn't work anymore. 99.9% of the time, creditors, credit bureaus, and collection agencies are going to violate one of your laws under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It's been proven. A lot of those deletions came because of it. Plain and simple. Like I said, it wasn't a magic wand that I said, hey, look, Stan Brown really needs to get this foreclosure off his credit. He's planning on building a home or buying a house, or building his business. Please take this off. And I begged for 2 hours, and eventually they hit a button and take it off. No. A law was violated. I called them out on it in specialized documentation, and it's deleted. That's the bottom line about it. If you guys need help, if you have any questions regarding my service, so forth and so on, inbox me. Go to my website, troyspivey.com. You can text me. You can email me. Any way to get in contact with me, do that. I don't carry a high client load, and what I mean by that is I'm never somebody to work with 100 to 150 people all at once. I like to give people individual attention, speak to you on the phone, explain things to you. Again, I have a credit financial plan that I've put together that 50% is you, the client. The other 50 is me. That's my 50% right there on the table, and in the file box, and in my file cabinets, and on my hard drive. Those are the deletions. That's what I provide. Your part of it is enacting the credit financial plan, which we'll go over. So like I said, any questions, get with me, troyspivey.com. Happy to help you out, happy to make your dreams come true if I can. All right, you guys take it easy.